Welcome to PillEye, Medility's premier pill counting app. With an accuracy of 99.99%, PillEye enhances your productivity in pill counting and pill-type medication inventory management. PillEye is available for free download on both smartphones and tablets, supporting both iOS and Android platforms. To download the PillEye app, first search for PillEye on either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. At the top of the search results page, you will find PillEye Tablet Pill Counter. Just click the Get button on the Apple App Store or the Install button on Google Play. Once the download completes, open the app. On the initial screen, the PillEye app will request access to your phone's camera and photo library. Tap OK to grant these permissions as they are necessary for the app to function. For Android phones, tap Allow and while using the app button to confirm the access grant. Do the same for the Send Notifications Grant pop-up message. Click OK for iOS devices and allow for Android devices. If you choose Don't Allow, you will not be able to continue. The app installation is now complete. To start using the PillEye app, tap the Sign Up button on the initial screen. Please provide the email address that will serve as your user ID, and click Continue. A 6-digit code for email verification will be sent to your email inbox. Check your email and enter the code into the verification field. If you don't receive the email, click the Resend button or check your spam folder. Next, let's set up your password. Enter a password that's secure yet easy for you to remember. After setting your password, accept the terms and conditions, privacy policy, and email notifications of the PillEye service. Just check the Agree to All Terms box, and then click the Agree button. The next step involves setting up your profile. Please enter your name. If you're enrolled in the Team Plan or Enterprise Plan as a member, enter your full name. This helps your admin or team manager easily identify you on the team management page. Then provide the name of the organization you work for or own. Please provide us with your occupational information. You can either select from the provided options or click Other to enter your occupation manually. It is important to accurately provide this information so that you are not missed out in our Thank Customer events like special lucky draw campaigns targeted towards users with specific occupations. Upon entering your occupational info, you are all set and ready to use PillEye to improve your pill counting productivity. If you're new to PillEye, you can search for PillEye Beginner's Guide on YouTube to learn about its basic features. The video will assist you in quickly becoming proficient in using PillEye. Boost productivity for both you and your team with PillEye. Download PillEye from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and experience enhanced productivity now.